Within this video, we're going to go ahead and work through our lesson 4, the wheel and axle, here inside of our Rube Goldberg machines. Specifically, we're going to go ahead and start opening the project. So go ahead and follow along here inside of the PDF, and of course follow along here inside of the video. If you already have one of the lessons open, let's go ahead and close everything out. And to do that, we're going to come up here into Windows, come down here into Levels, and inside this floating window, what I'm going to go ahead and do is right-click right here on Wedge. This is the one that I have open, and I'm going to go ahead and choose Change Streaming Method and change this to Blueprint. Next, I want to go ahead and click the little icon here so that it's no longer visible, and then this L4 wheel and axle, we're going to go ahead and right-click on this, change Streaming Method, and choose Always Loaded. We'll go ahead and say OK to this little warning. And then we can go ahead and just dock this up here in the top right-hand corner. The last thing we want to do is get our camera in the correct location. So right-click and drag inside of our viewport to make sure that it's actually active. And go ahead and hit 4 on the keyboard so it places the camera right where we need it.